Hi friends, in this video I am going to unbox and assemble Decathlon Oxelo adult kick scooter 7XL. This is the price of the scooter. This scooter is equipped with two suspension systems, one at the front and one at the rear. The scooter comes with a brake on the handlebar and a second brake on the back wheel. It has large wheels which make it easier to build up speed with the minimum effort. Its weight is 5.6 kg. You can adjust the handlebar height for usage between 1.45 meter and 1.95 meter tall. It has classic two-step folding system. Bell and light are not included, that we have to buy separate. See, now I am going to connect this handle. So we can connect handle like this. If you need spare parts, you can order spare parts via Decathlon mobile app. It also provides a stand. This is a stand, so we have to connect it. So we can connect stand here. So this is a stand. So let me connect this stand. We also get tools, so we can easily connect this stand. Okay, done. So let me test. See, we can use a stand like this. As for my opinion, this is a good scooter for adult. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.